type of diagram or graph where data is represented by various symbols, such as bars in bar graph, lines in line graph, or slices in a pie chart. We make data charts so that large quantity of data is easily read, and the relationships between different parts of data can be easily understood. Today, we will be learning about pie charts. Data chart that presents percentages in different groups are often displayed in a pie chart. Pie chart is good for showing how a whole is divided up. Example, how much money is spent on each thing in a budget can be represented using a pie chart. A pie chart shows percentage values as a slice of pie. Let's learn it with examples. Here we have a pie chart. Let's try to read it. Title says pie chart shows the favorite movies. First of all, this circle is representing 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 6 equals 20 people. And different slices of pie shows the people with different choice of movies. As labels on the graph tells green portion represents the fraction of people out of 20 people that likes comedy movies. Label also says 4 people, which is 20% of 20 people, like comedy movies. Now labels on the graph tells purple portion represents the fraction of people that likes action movies. Label also says 5 people, which is 25% of 20 people, like action movies. So, percentage of circle that each portion represents says that much percentage out of the total number of people like that type of movie. Now, labels on the graph tells blue portion represents the fraction of people that likes drama movies. Label also says 1 people, which is 5% of 20 people, likes drama movies, and so on. So when we have to show percentage values, we use a pie chart, where the percentage portion of a circle represents the percentage value. And the whole set of things are represented by a whole circle.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!